What's up YouTube, it's time to talk about the Samsung Galaxy A51. As you guys already know that this device is going to be launched on December the 12th. Two of the different sources has confirmed this device launch date. One of them is Samsung Vietnam, which have published a video over the internet which has confirmed that a Samsung Galaxy A series device is going to be launched on December the 12th. The other source is Sam Mobiles, and they have also confirmed on their website regarding the release date of Samsung Galaxy A51 on their website. So these two sources are one of the most reliable sources over the internet right now, and if we believe it, we will see a Samsung Galaxy A51 on December the 12th. So the next thing which comes into mind that what this device is so much anticipated. So as you guys already know that this device is the successor to the previous generation of Samsung Galaxy A50, and it is going to be one of the most exciting devices of this year. So if we talk about the Samsung Galaxy A51 specification, so 2 days earlier an official render for the Samsung Galaxy A51 has launched over the internet, and as you can see that there are front side, back side, and the right side of the device has been unleashed through the official renders. So if we talk about the front of the device, we will see that there will be a 6.5-inch Full HD Plus Super AMOLED display will be present on front of the device with a center punch hole just like the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus, and this center punch hole will be holding a 32 megapixel front camera. So we may expect that there will be an in-display fingerprint scanner in this device. As you know that this is a Samsung Galaxy most affordable handset up till now, and there are some rumors that a quad camera setup will be present on the back side of the device, in which the main camera will be of 48 megapixel of primary sensor, and we will see a 12 megapixel of ultra wide, 5 megapixel of depth sensor, and 5 megapixel of macro lens. Internally, if we look at the Samsung Galaxy A51 specification, we will see that there will be an Exynos 9611 processor, and it is coming in two different variants, 4 gigs and 64 gigs of internal storage, and 6 gigs of RAM and 128 gigs of internal storage. The color in which the Samsung Galaxy A51 is going to become will be in Prisma Crush white, black, pink, and blue colors. On the right side of the device, we will see most of the buttons, and these buttons are somewhat expected to be a look-alike Samsung Galaxy S11. Internally, we will see a 4000 mAh battery inside, and a 15 watt of fast charging is also coming with that device. So what do you think about this Samsung Galaxy A51? Has it shaped up to the device you spend your money on? Let us know in the comment section below. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, hit the subscribe button and push the bell notification as well, so you can get notified for every new video which I upload.